I know you probably have some bananas going brown on your counter. Don't let them go to waste. Try and make this banana cake, or if you like, omit the baking powder and just use the bicarb, and ladies and gentlemen, you end up with banana bread. Double whammy, isn't that so cool? Alright, start by greasing the loaf pan that you're going to be using to bake this, and I love saving the butter wrappers for this. You can put them in the freezer and use them when you're ready. They work perfectly. In a large bowl, add sugar and some softened butter and give that a good stir. This is so easy to do, you guys. My 10-year-old actually helped out, as you can see her little hands there. We then added some eggs, all-purpose flour, and as always, guys, the recipe ingredient list is in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Next in went baking powder and bicarb, as well as cinnamon and some yogurt. Give all these ingredients a good stir and make sure everything is well mixed. And then you can move to the next step, which is grab said bananas. Ours were definitely ready for this. Just peel them and use the back of a fork to mash them up. Kids love doing this, so get your kids involved if you have any. It's so satisfying, the younglings like to say. So next, all you want to do is add your banana to your cake batter that you've done. And guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on notifications. So we also added some nuts. You can use peanuts or cashew nuts or whatever nuts you have on hand, that's fine. In a separate bowl, add some cinnamon as well as brown sugar and also some melted butter. This is going to be a swirly type of cake, so don't skip this part. It makes it so special. Give everything a good stir and then bring your loaf tin back. Add a half of the batter that you had mixed together, just a half, try and get it off your spoon, and then half of the cinnamon sugar mixture you've done, and you can just pour it in no particular fashion, just dot it on there, and then add the other half of the batter and the other half of the cinnamon sugar mixture you have. And again, there is no right or wrong way to do this, just add spoonfuls of it on top of your batter. I think I could sit and eat this with a spoon without baking it. Then just use a butter knife to create some swirls. And now we're going to do something extra special. We're making a crunchy topping. All-purpose flour, some brown sugar, and cinnamon. More cinnamon. I promise it's not going to be overwhelmingly cinnamony. It's just perfect. So add this mixture to the top of your cake or bread, whatever you decide to do, and bake it at 180 degrees for 35 minutes. Let it cool before you cut into it, and then enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.